What is going on, guys? Joan here from TightlineTV, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about fishing rods. I kind of was thinking about this question that I got asked a lot when I worked at a sporting goods store, and that was the question of what is the best fishing rod, like the best possible fishing rod setup that I can use for literally every kind of fishing. When I was working at these stores, the people that were coming in looking to buy something, you know, they weren't diehard fishermen. They weren't guys looking for a million different setups. They weren't looking for reasons why they should buy an expensive setup. They just wanted a rod to get out there and fish from time to time, and they wanted it to be logical and be decent quality for the most part. So today I want to talk to you guys about one specific rod setup. This is going to be a reel combination and a rod combination based on size and power that's going to allow you to, for the most part, fish for whatever you want. I grabbed a couple of rod setups right here just to give you guys a good example. So to be able to do this, guys, to get out there, just fish a pond, whatever it may be, this is the kind of setup that I would recommend you would use. This right here is actually a fishing combo, but the rod that you guys are gonna want in this setup is going to be a 6'6" to a 7-foot medium action rod. I recommend medium. You can even go medium heavy if you want, but medium is usually a good all-around size rod to be able to handle, you know, the majority of fish. Along with a rod of this size, I would recommend a 2500 to a 3000 series reel. This guy right here is a 3000. If you guys don't know what that is, a lot of times if you just look on the reel, it's gonna say 2500, it's gonna say 3000, or it may just have like a code name with like some letters, and then after it, it's going to say 30 or 25. So that way you guys will know what size that is. These reels are going to be the right size reel to allow you to hold, you know, a 8 to 10 pound line, or even 15, and if you guys go into braid, anywhere up to 25 pound, 30 pound braid. So it's going to be a good size spool to get enough line to fish for the fish and the lures that you guys are going to need. So yeah, boom, that's it right there. Before you guys go ahead and ask why I didn't choose a bait caster, bait casters are complex. It takes some skill to be able to use a bait caster. A spinning reel is a good reel that's going to allow you to fish the majority of the baits. It's not going to give you troubles. Most people can cast one of these, and you know, it's just a good size rod to have all the time. Along with that, this size, you're gonna be able to get it in a 1-piece, or you're also gonna be able to get it in a 2-piece. The majority of the size of these rods, you're gonna be able to find both those options. This right here, guys, that's really all you need to know. And this is what I grew up learning on, was just a medium spinning rod, and I fished everything. I didn't care what you were doing. And if you guys are gonna, you know, make comments and say, oh, you can't catch, you know, giant catfish or carp or anything on these size rods because they're gonna break, you absolutely can. Throw some braid in there, make sure you set your drag correctly, and as long as you know how to, you know, angle that fish correctly, I can guarantee you, you'll get it to the shore or you'll get it to the boat. This is a good travel rod that I use all the time when I just, you know, need to do all-purpose types of fishing. It's a 2-piece 6'6" rod. It's a medium action, and this is a size 30 reel, or a 3000 series reel. It's a good all-around rod for me. I have it stringed up with 10-pound mono, and this is a rod that I used alongside of the boat. I drop shot with it. I walleye fish with it. I'll go pond hop for bass with it. If I'm really getting bored and, you know, the fish aren't biting and I want to throw something out for catfish and stuff, should you do it? Not so much, but it handles just fine, you know, when it does put me in that position, I guess. So there you guys have it. That's really all you need to know. I hope I gave you guys enough information. If you guys are more curious or have more questions, just leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll answer them for you. All you guys need to do is find a good solid rod setup that, you know, fits your liking. This rod size, for the most part, you can find inexpensive, and it's going to be a rod to just have in your car, or a rod to have in your house for the everyday, you know, fisherman. And whether you're just out there going once a weekend or you're riding your bike around pond to pond, it's going to be a good, affordable, and size setup to do everything that you guys need to do if you just want to own one rod. So other than that, hey, I hope you guys like this video. I hope that helps you. These rods keep falling on me. Hey, if you're new here, oh my gosh, go away. Do me a favor, drop a like on this video, and hit that subscribe button for me. If you guys are unaware of the 5K giveaway, we're actually like, I think like 40 subs away from 5K. So if you guys want a chance at winning some free fishing gear, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, go over to Instagram, and give me a follow, and you might just win some. We're gonna be doing a video really soon here on all that stuff. So other than that, hey, keep fishing. I was gonna say never stop, but I'm not gonna quote John B. And hey, thank you for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.